Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can add your follow button on Facebook account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how you can add a follow button on your Facebook profile. If you're an influencer or a content creator, it is a must added button that you need on your profile. All you have to do is go to your Facebook account. First, I will show you how your profile will look if you do not have a follow button. This is how my profile looks without follow button. Now I will show you how you can add a follow button to your profile account. All you have to do is go to your settings. After that, you will see the options who can send you friend request. Once you click on it, you will have to choose the option friends of friends. After that, you will go back and then click on followers and public content. Here you have to set both of the options to public. Once they're both set, you will go back to your profile and we will check if the follow button is active or not. We will do the again view as, and here you can see the follow button is active. That is how you can add a follow button on Facebook. If you like the video, make sure to like, share and subscribe.